Are you really serious about what you make us? What statement you have made before the High Court and what you are making before us? File a better affidavit, otherwise we will suspend your officers straight away.
Steve, we are having this.
Firstly, we don't even find a very logical reason as to why you are not holding a simultaneous election. This is the reason for not holding simultaneous election.
Yes.
So they are not really pressing that issue. What about the village committee election?
We are going ahead with the ADC election.
What is your time frame?
Lordship, the ADC election is required to be done by early April 26. So once that is concluded,
You gave an undertaking before the High Court to conclude the election by November 2022.
yes.
Now we are in 2026. You want 6 months to complete village committee elections?
Lordship,
What kind of a logic you are trying to disclose? We are unable to. What we propose is we'll accept your proposal so far as district council is. You file a better affidavit giving a much earlier time schedule for completion of village committee elections.
we take instruction. Lordship.
Because we do not accept this September kind of time. What we are worried of is that this time your affidavit is completely vague. Come to page 29.
Yes, sir.
And just come to the schedule which you have provided before
Yes.
the High Court.
Yes, sir.
Just see the schedule which you have provided. 107,
108.
At page 108, the schedule.
Yes. Yes, sir.
And you are not providing any schedule.
Lordship, I have provided. Lordship, I kindly consider. 18th April is the date when this ADC election. 18th April.
The voter list has been revised now. It's not a case that you have not been able to include the true community which migrated. So the
Yes.
migrants have also been included in your list.
Yes.
The voter list is revised. 17,000 odd voters have been included.
Yes.
Despite that, you are not indicating the real reason why you are not being able to come.
We have given reasons,
What
Lordship.
are the reasons?
First is we are having this.
Firstly, we don't even find a very logical reason as to why you are not holding a simultaneous election.
Lordship, that we have given, Lordship. First is
The
the
common voter list is there. The only thing is you have to identify that voter X to Z are falling in this village committee, so and so is falling in that village.
now these
That
two
is your-
groups can be in two different places. Now in hill area for a person to go in the morning to vote in one place and go in another place to vote is really inconvenient.
You can always arrange for booths in a way because district election would be for the entire district. All right. So far as those particular village committees are concerned, the booth will have to be at a convenient location.
Lordship, it is not only for one district.
The
ADC election is throughout
Tripura
the
is not such a big state as Uttar Pradesh that you are saying. You can hold a common election at Uttar Pradesh, which is maybe 100 times bigger than Tripura, and you are not even able to hold a small election at Tripura. What is this?
Lordship,
And you give an undertaking, you file a schedule before the High Court. What kind of a violation you are doing? Are you really serious about what you make us? What statement you have made before the High Court and what you are making before us?
Lordship, after the High Court order, there was this blue
You
migrants.
file a better affidavit, otherwise we will suspend your officers straight away. We cannot tolerate this. You may give an undertaking, you give a time schedule and you do not follow it. What is this?
We will give an affidavit, Lordship.
You file an affidavit and give a specific clear-cut time schedule. It should be over by May end in any case.
Lordship,